Digital marketing, that's my side hustle. Why I chose digital marketing to be my side hustle? Una, because of the doability. It works in the background, it's automated, and like I am a full service restaurant business owner, and nagagawa ko pa rin yung digital marketing just because once up na yung website, it will runs on the background. Second, it doesn't require any quota. Walang required na or time limitation na o kailangan makabenta ka ng ganitong amount or kailangan what kind of digital marketing I am into? I am an affiliate of a product and a course. I have multiple income streams online. Both of them are affiliated with a product. The other one is an education, a course about digital marketing, anything that you need to know about digital marketing. Like I said, there's no quota. They are not going to require me na kailangan by ganitong month, meron ka ng ganitong sales, or kailangan by ganitong araw, natapos mo na yung kurso na ganito. Walang ganon. So, yung oras mo, hawak mo pa rin. Pangatlo, yung portability. Ibig sabihin, dahil nga online yung business, kahit saan, pwede ko siyang gawin. Pwedeng habang nag-aantay ako sa parking lot, or nag-aantay ako sa school, habang sinusundo ko yung anak ko, or habang nag-aantay ako ng customer dito sa restaurant, dun ko pwedeng gawin yung business. O kaya naman, I had a recent trip sa Philippines, nadadala ko pa rin yung business. Kahit sa airport, gumagawa ako ng mga content. So, yung portability ng business, isa yun sa nagustuhan ko kasi kahit saan pwede kong gawin. Fourth, syempre yung availability. Kapag traditional business kasi, syempre kailangan magbukas ka or kaya mag-show up ka dun sa part-time na trabaho mo. Pero dito sa digital marketing, magawa ka lang ng content everyday. Siguro mga 2 to 3 reels or stories or posts in a day. Ibig sabihin nun, bukas yung business mo. And dahil sa automation, meron nang nagpapatakbo ng negosyo mo 24/7. Pero hindi naman kailangan physically nandun ka. But it works in the background. It works while you are sleeping. So, isa yon sa nagustuhan ko rin kung bakit pinili ko tong side hustle na to. Next, bakit ko rin gusto tong side hustle na to? Kasi it doesn't trade my time for money. Meaning, pwede ako kahit 1 oras lang sa isang araw, pwede ako kahit 2 to 3 hours. Depende sa akin kung hanggang anong oras ko gustong magtrabaho. So, hawak ko pa rin yung oras ko, nagagawa ko yung responsibility ko dito sa restaurant, at nagagawa ko rin yung responsibility ko bilang asawa at bilang anak. So, yun yung side hustle na gusto kong makuha. Gusto ko ring matuto. Like I said, yung isa sa income stream ko is education. So, it teaches you anything that you need to know about digital marketing. Kung wala ka pang naiisip na sarili mong produkto to sell online, bibigyan ka nila ng mga ready-made products na pwede mong baguhin, then ibenta sa iba, or kaya naman i-promote yung educational program sa iba. Tapos pag may pumasok na tao din na interesado ding matuto sa all about digital marketing, dun ka magkakaroon ng komisyon. Bukod pa doon, yung ino-offer ng isa kong income stream is recurring income. Meaning, hindi dahil sa nakabenta ka na ng isa, tapos na yon. No. Pag nakabenta yung tao na binentahan mo, magkakaroon ka pa ng komisyon doon. Hindi ito networking, hindi rin ito MLM. Kumbaga, every month, mas marami kang nakukuhang sales, mas lalaki yung commission mo. Hindi kagaya ng ibang income stream, yung courses online na pwede kang makabenta ngayon tapos next month wala na. Ito, recurring income commission. I could explain to you more kung naguguluhan ka sa explanation ko ngayon. Kasi this is just a short video. I can give you more information. Just connect with me and I will tell you more about it. Like I said, I have multiple income stream na pwede mong magpagpilian. Again, yung passive income na pinili ko, itong side hustle na to, it doesn't require my time or trade my time for money again. Kasi ayoko na ng workload. Medyo, life is not just about work. So, kailangan pumili ka talaga ng right passive income na mag-fit sa lifestyle mo. And aside from that, the affordability on starting your own business. You don't necessarily required to spend thousands of money if you are going to learn digital marketing sa university talaga, sa traditional school. It will cost you at least 5,000 grand. Tapos yung ibang online courses din na makikita mo about digital marketing, sometimes parang at least 2,500 ata ang mga courses. This one, the one I have, sobrang affordable. Parang kumain ka lang sa labas or kaya bumili ka ng favorite shoes mo. Ganun lang ang amount. So, hindi siya ganun kamahal. And investing in yourself is the best investment that you could give for yourself. Skill mo, marami kang ma-meet na tao na hindi mo alam kung gaano kalaki yung ininvest nila para sa sarili nila. And this one, parang ordinaryong tao lang. Not naman ordinaryong tao, but like me, I am looking for a side hustle and I check this out and I know this is the right passive income or side hustle for a busy mom like me. So if you want to do something like this, connect with me and I'll tell you more. I can give you a free webinar to check it out. Again, it is free para lang malaman mo kung ito ba talaga yung side hustle na hinahanap mo. Yun lang. Connect with me. God bless us everyone.